And now we have full screen so we can see it better. Okay? Ready?
We are gathered today for me to present my English research in oral presentation in Master 2 in Gerontology. And my topic, assistive technology for the care of dependent elderly people living in geriatric institutions. And through the presentation, we are going to look the advantage and the limit of people robot in the middle of the elderly people in geriatric institutions. Our plans, we are going to look at introduction as natural, chapter 1, general presentation, chapter 2, the advantage of people, chapter 3, the limit of people, conclusion, annex and bibliography. Let us look into chapter 1, into the keyword first. Our keywords are care, elderly, geriatric, ICT, institution, non-house care, people, and robot. Let us go into introduction. The academic subject that we present today is at the crossroad of the field of ICT and gerontology to improve the care of the elderly people depend at geriatric institutions. The increase of elderly people in geriatric institutions poses a problem of the capacity of our society to answer of growth of their needs in caretaking in the institution. Whether the technology can also meet our patient, our problematic come to ask whether the technology can also meet the challenge on non-house care need of elderly people living in geriatric institutions through Mr. Robert Piper. In chapter 1, we are going to see general presentation of Piper, geriatric institution, and elderly dependent people. These are the three things gathered together we are going to look at. Piper is a robot. It's a robot, it's semi-humanoid. It's not humanoid complete because it's food. It's food. You don't have not true food. You have only imaging. We have 4 scales. They have 120 centimeters, 28 kilograms, 12 hours of autonomy, 2 camera, 3D and HD. A screen on the chest, as you can see. They have 4 speakers, and this robot is manufactured by SoftBank Robotics with many abilities. It was introduced the first time in the conference in Japan, the 5 June 2014. We can note that people have a tripod. First of all, the robot, you can see, the router plus internet and the computer. Let us go to geriatric institution. What is geriatric institution? Some of people who are not studying geriatric and always ask, as some member of my family, when I told them I study geriatric, they ask me what is geriatric. Let us get the answer. It's a medical facility that houses dependent elderly people in single or collective homes, in addition to help with activities of daily living and personalized care, and services such as catering, laundry, entertainment, animation. Let us go through dependent elderly. And what is dependent elderly? I took this definition from Dr. Givan in his book Preventive Gerontology in page 204. And he says, geriatric elderly, he or she is an advanced person beyond retirement age who may need help for the need of daily life, eat, drink, wash, dress, etc. Or who need require regular supervision. Now let us go into chapter 2. We are looking now at the advantage and of Homo people. As advantage, we have joy. People has capacity to read emotion and identify joy. Which means if I laugh here and people is here, if they can ask me what are we laughing. It can also recognize anger and surprise. It can also recognize sadness and anxiety. What can people bring to the senior at geriatric? That one is a nice one. In non-gross care, let us specify this one. People can always help in non-gross care. It cannot replace a doctor to consult now. It can just bring helps in non-gross care. By medical assistance. Somebody can ask me how. They can call a doctor when the person is down. They can decide to automatically call a doctor. Say my patient is down. They can make animation. It can dance. It can manipulate physical activities. It can be security. It can assist